Hello everyone, I wanted to introduce you to a really cool add-on to Google Slides. It's called Peardeck. So let me show you what it is and what it does. First of all, Peardeck is an add-on that allows you to direct students through your presentation. So they get a code, they can log in to your presentation, and then you can embed some little formative assessments as you go. I think it's really cool, really interesting what it does. I do want to make note that there is a paid premium version of Peardeck, and there's also a free version, and the free version is limited. Okay, so first of all, to get an add-on on your Google slide, you're going to go up here to add-ons. I actually already got Peardeck, but I'm going to go to get add-ons, and then I could search for Peardeck, okay? But you'll see it's already right here. When you choose a new add-on, you just click on it and you'll have to approve the permissions and everything like that and make sure that you're logged on to Google, okay? So that's how you add the add-on. When you actually want to use the add-on, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto add-ons, Peardeck, open Peardeck add-on. So it will pop up with this little side menu here, and I can now choose what types of slides I want to add on. So I could do a bell ringer. So it has some like pre-made slides for me. I can do like a draggable slide. By the way, draggable and writing, like the slides that you're going to write on, those are in the premium account. Otherwise, it's just more multiple choice, short answer, text things. So and I can see what type of slide it is because it's already labeled. Okay, so those are going to be in the free version. So let's just insert, what do you want to know about today's topic? Okay. And then you can see that I can like customize that a little bit. Like I could change like what it looks like, stuff like that. Okay, let's add on something for during the lesson. I just want to show you, this is a multiple choice one. I think that what I'm most excited about is the drawing slides. Again, this is in the premium account, so like it's not that everybody would get this, but right now I'm on like a trial, so you can still see what a drawing one will do. Okay, so let's do an end of the lesson one as well, and we haven't done a draggable one, but they don't have that. I can also add, I think I can customize my own. Like, yeah, I can do that. I can customize my own. So let's pretend I want to make a drawing question. Okay, and then I can do it right here. So please draw a picture of how you're feeling. You can see that I can ask students a number question. And I don't see that one. That one didn't seem to show up. Let's put a website. I don't know what the website does. Okay, so actually you can embed a website onto that. So let's just do, I want to share a digital portfolio. It has to be a website that allows embedding. So let me try a different one, history.com. Let's do this day in history. Okay, so I just copied the This Day in History web address. I'm going to exit out of this because it's slowing my page down. And then I'm going to go back to my presentation. I'm going to hit update slide. So it will put that website right into my slide. So I think that's cool. So as I'm doing the presentation, the students will be able to go and click around the website. Okay, and I think that's how we're going to leave it for now. So let's present with Peardeck. And I'm going to see if it will let me do this on a new tab to be a student. Okay, so we're going to present with Peardeck, and it will load my presentation. It's going to give me a code for students to use to connect with. So we're going to go joinpd.com, and we're going to enter that code. The nice thing is that it prompts you to sign in with your Google account. So for students, you're guaranteed to know which student is filling this out. Okay, and it's going to log me in. I like this. It will also, it kind of prompts the students to give like feelings for the day. So it's kind of an SEL thing. I'm feeling great. Okay, and it will show me like right down here how many students are connected. Notice that I can copy a link. Like I could post this link onto Google Classroom as well. Okay, so I want to start my class. So we're going to start the presentation. Oh, I think I had my first slide was blank. So I want to respond as a student. Oh, I'm sorry. So the students will type their answer. I want to know how to use Peardeck. Okay. So notice that while I'm typing, on the teacher version, I can see student responses as they're happening. So this, I can have this show up. It's anonymous. So whatever students are saying, it will be anonymous. I can also, I think I can delete it right here. I'm not sure how to do it, but okay, I can choose how I want to lay that out. I can also lock screens of students if they, if I want them to stop typing. So see how it is locked. It does not lock student computers completely. So it's not like when they're on Peardeck, you know, there's nothing else they're allowed to do. Okay. Is this statement true or false? Okay. And I have to respond. It's going to be true. The multiple choice is available in the free version, and it will show your student responses. Okay. And then we want to go to the next one. Okay, and then this is the one I really liked, where it will prompt students to draw. So you can have them write head. I think my pen tool is too big. They can type text, wings. They could draw on the V. Okay. So I think this is cool. This one would be really awesome for math, I think. And just the same, you can still see your student responses. So I can see like a grid layout, so I can see what all of my students are answering. So if I was a math teacher, I think this would be great because I could see like what they were doing. Also, if I was an English teacher and I was like character mapping or something like that, this would be really cool. Okay, and then finally, draw a picture of how you're feeling. And that is, oh, I changed it to be a number question. So I'm feeling 100%. Okay, so that was my bad. I had changed it to a number one. Okay, and then I can see how students are responding. And then this is the browse one. So this is showing me the history.com website. And so while I'm presenting, students can browse the website. Sorry about that. This is really slowing my computer down. But let's see what the teachers will see while this is happening. Okay. Well, it looks like we're not really going to be seeing our students are doing, but we still can lock the screen like that. All right, and that was the end of my presentation. So now I'm going to go ahead and end my presentation. Okay, to end my presentation, I'm going to come down here and hit end. And I can save this presentation so that I can keep my student answers. And then it will automatically file onto my Google Drive. Just granting access. Okay, and then we can return to Google Slides. So that is how you use Peardeck. I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or comment on my video.